Hi guys, I'm back. Now, I think smoky eyes, child's play. I mean, even a 10-year-old can do it. You don't believe me? Okay, meet my makeup artist who will show you that smoky eyes is a piece of cake. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Senor Joy.
Senora, smoky eyes, very easy.
Guys, today I'm going to show you a very simple video where we only require a makeup kit. So here's the perfect view of my makeup kit. If you don't have one, you can either buy it or steal it, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just prepare my eyes for the makeup because I think that your skin and your makeup should not be in direct contact. So just I'm just going to apply my foundation, nothing else, because it's not going to be a very pretentious video. Only base foundation and makeup. Ta-da! So here, my eyes are ready. Ta-da!
Friends, now I'll use little white, little grey, and lots of black.
So I'm ready for my makeup. Okay, now what I know that he is going to apply white color in the inner corner of my eye, and next you have to figure it out on your own because I cannot see very much. But I think he'll apply grey. Um, See here, I'm completely trusting him because I don't have any other option, right? Because if I tell you honestly, I don't know how to put on makeup, but my makeup artist does, so he'll show you. Yeah, so you have to be very careful about the motion of your brush. I mean, you cannot just apply it like this, la 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 la. You have to choose a particular pattern, like he's brushing the outer area of my eye, so upper area of my eye. So you have to make sure that you brush in a particular motion. Okay, now he's done with my first eye and he has moved on to the second one, where he'll first apply, as usual, white, grey, then black. Don't worry if this look does not look great because we're going to end with the eyeliner. Okay, so the mistake that most people make is that they do not apply some little eyeshadow on this part of their eye, I mean below their eye. To complete the look, you have to apply the makeup fully. नीचे क्यों जा रहा है भाई? Me that he is through with the makeup. So let me just go to the mirror and check out my new fantabulous look. Okay. So guys, I forgot to tell you that this makeup was for Halloween purposes and not for party or day makeup type. Okay. Take care. And just excuse me for a bit. Hey guys, so I'm really happy with my look because this look helps to keep away all kinds of viruses, mosquitoes, houseflies, people, everything away from you. And don't worry, I have just literally fired my makeup artist.